Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. For some reason I got a light on this for the first time we're shooting a video. That's really cool. So I'm at Jailhouse Pizza, which actually used to be a jailhouse. Here's a jail cell where you could have dinner. This was the male's jail upstairs. And to the right was the living quarters. This was apparently the sheriff's house. And they have some beautiful artwork here. That's pretty cool. It's the law, Jailhouse Pizza. It's a hot seat. Here's a caged-in stairway from long, long ago. Never seen one of those before. And you said this is the living quarters?
It was a bedroom at one point, yes.
Bedroom? And again, some cool artwork. And you said this is a history of a few families?
Yeah, Brandenburg family.
Brandenburg families. Brandenburg County, Kentucky.
Yeah, Buchanan.
Here on the Ohio River. I was just notified this is one of the jailers, but he was younger, a little older. FDR right there, look at that. John F. Kennedy, they got some great history here. And this is a tornado. I just talked to Council Member Pat. She said she helped to donate some pictures. And here's what I want next year. Where'd it go? I can't see it on here. Maybe it's zoomed. There we go. I want to go on the riverboat all the way down. I don't know how to find that yet, but I will. But here, I love this. I came here for pizza last night. There's too many people to shoot a video because you got to talk really loud to the camera. But that's really cool. Good old chainsaw artwork. And here we're going to dedicate this because I'm a soldier. I love this stuff. Dedicated to the soldiers. Got a glare. And it's a beautiful view on the Ohio River. And I'm going to end it right here and have a nice sunny day.